Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about make 10. Yes, today we are using a method to make 10, that is 10 frame. Yes, which is right here. What you see now is a 10 frame. It is empty right now. We call it 10 frame because it have 10 empty blocks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 5 blocks at the top and 5 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 at the top and same 5 at the bottom. 10 frame tell us very fast that how many blocks are filled and how many blocks are empty. Now, for using 10 frame, we use counter of 2 colors. So I'm gonna place one counter in each square. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now as you know already that there are 5 at the top and also another 5 square at the bottom here. So if I have 5 on the top and if I take away 1 without counting, how many are left? Yes, tell me. Very good. 4. I don't have to count because I know it's supposed to be 5, and if I took 1 away, so now these are only 4. So if I put back, I know right away on the spot. I don't have to count because there are my 10 frame, so there are always 5 on the top. So now if I have 5 on the top, I'm gonna continue adding. So now if I have 5, what comes after 5? Yes, very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Right now I have 10 counters and I know that my whole 10 frame is covered. Yes, my whole 10 frame is covered with these counters. Let's take it now. If I take away one counter, so now how many counters then? Yes, 9. I don't have to count because I know there are 5 here on the top, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, and I know there's one missing. So 10 take away 1 is 9. Very good. Now if I took all the bottom counters right now without counting, how many left? Yes, very good. 5. How do I know that's so fast? Because I know there's 5 on the top. How do I know? Yes, because I know 5 on the top and 5 squares on the bottom make 10. Now we use this 10 frame to saw some addition process. How many counters do I have here? Try not to count. Yes, that's right, 5. How do I know that so fast? Because I know there's 5 blocks at the top. So now let's place 2 yellow counters. Now starting from beginning, I'll count it all the blue and yellow counters. I know there's 5 blocks and 5 blue counters already at the top. Now I can just count on what comes after 5. 6, 7. Very good. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Very good. So now, how many blue blocks? How many blue counters? Yes, 4. Very good. How do you know so fast? Because I know there's 5 block at the top. If I take 1 away, then 4 left. Now tell me, if I put 1, then how many blocks are total? Yes, very good. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now, how many blue counters are there? Try not to count. Yes, I know 5 counters at the top. And after 5, what comes? Yes, 6. Now, total 6 counters. Now, if I put 4 more yellow counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Try not to count. Yes, I can know it easily because my whole 10 frame is covered. I don't have any block empty here. So it's a 10 frame as I know already. So all counters make 10. Yes, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Very good. Now tell me, how many blue counters are there? As I know, 5 counters at the top. What comes after 5? Let's count. 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. And here's an empty box. Let's put 1 counter here. 1 yellow counter. Now how many total? Try not to count. Yes, very good. As I know, my whole 10 frame is covered. So, there are total 10 blocks. So, all are covered. Then, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Yes. Very good. Now, how many counters can you see? Yes, as you know, my top frame is fully covered. And how many counters on the top? 5. Very good. And how many on the bottom? 5. Very good. Now how many total? Yes, very good. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now tell me, how many blue counters are there? Yes, you have 5 counters on the top, and after 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I put 2 more yellow counters. Yes, whole 10 frame is covered. So, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Yes, you can tell it without counting. Now how many blue counters? Yes, top 5, 6, 7. Now if I put 3 more yellow counters. Now count the total. Yes, whole 10 frame is covered with the counters. So it would be 7 plus 3 is equal to 11. Sorry, 10. Yes. How many counters can you see now? Okay, no one. It's an empty 10 frame. Yes. And if I put 10 10 yellow counters. Yes, very good. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Here I have nothing and then 10. So 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Very good. Now take out your math learner book, page number 7, and practice this page and do this assignment also. Now keep practicing. Thank you.